Hello viewers on YouTube. In this video tutorial, we are going to focus on finding the geometric mean of both group and ungrouped data. So first thing first, I recommend you get ready your pen and your jotting note to jot down some points, as there are different formula that helps us to find the geometric mean of both group and ungrouped data. So let's begin with the group data. For the group data, the formula that helps us to find the geometric mean, GM, is simply equals to the nth root of the capital Pi of x to the power of f. So for those who might be wondering what capital Pi means, because perhaps this is the first time of you hearing the word or seeing the symbol, it works like summation, the sigma. But the difference between them is that for sigma, you have to add those values. But for capital Pi, we multiply the values. So this simply means we will just need to be raising each data to its corresponding frequency and then keeps on multiplying our results. So that is the formula for the geometric mean for group data. Now for the ungrouped data, which I will write as UG for short, the geometric mean GM is equal to the nth root of capital Pi of x. So there is need not for raising to the power of f. Are we together? Perfect. So those are the two formulas we'll be considering using to solve or simplify problems as we proceed forward. So let's begin with example number 1. So consider this distribution. As you can clearly see, it's ungrouped data, as you can see. So there's no class interval. So therefore, to find its geometric mean, GM, the formula we are considering using is simply the nth root of the capital Pi of x. Now, n is simply the quantity of the distribution. So how many are the distribution? 2, 4, 6. So n is equal to 6. Now, x are the distribution. You can see those are the distribution. So therefore, the geometric mean will simply be equal to the 6th root of, so that will be a little bit longer, 6th root of the product of the distribution. That will be 3 times 6 times 9 times 10 times 12 times 14. And I'll be using my calculator for that. So for the product, I got 272,160. So we have the 6th root of 272,160. So if we find the 6th root of that, we are going to get 8.05. So this is the geometric mean of the distribution on the board. Now what about group data? How can we find the geometric mean? Let's consider a situation like that. So consider the frequency distribution tally table on the board. Feel free to pause the video and find the geometric mean. Like we said earlier, the formula that helps us to find the geometric mean of a group data is simply the nth root of the capital Pi of x raised to the power of f. So this simply means we need the value of x. However, x is not given in the table, only the class interval is given. So what can we do to find the value of x? Well, all you need to do is just to add the two limits of the class interval and divide them by 2 respectively. So 0 plus 4 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. Then you repeat the same process for all other intervals. 5 plus 9 is 14, by 2 is 7. 10 plus 14 is 24, divided by 2 gives us 12. 15 plus 19 is 34, divided by 2 gives us 17. 20 plus 24 is 44, divided by 2 gives us 22. And these are our corresponding values of x. So once you have the value of x, you can as well as find x raised to the power of f. But keep in mind, that will always give you a very large number. More especially look at this one, when we have something like 12 raised to the power of 8. That might give us a very large number. So I would recommend you just plug in everything right into this formula and make use of your calculator, and as well be very cautious in that process as well. So this will become, what is the value of n? N in this case will be the summation of f. So 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So n is 24 right here. So that will be 24 roots. So we are multiplying all through. So x, when x is 2, we have 2 raised to the power of 3 times. When x is 7, 7 raised to the power of 6 times. When x is 12, 12 raised to the power of 8 times. 17 raised to the power of 4 times. The last one we have just right here, 22 raised to the power of 3. You understand? I'm just taking the value of x and then raised to the power of the frequency. So I'm using my calculator entirely for this. I'm just going to type everything in my calculator and I have my final answer. Straightforward. So in the end, I got 7.455. So that is our geometric mean of the distribution. And that's how to easily find the geometric mean of both group and ungrouped data. I hope you find this helpful and understandable. Thanks for watching. This is your exercise. Feel free to share a solution via the comment section below. So find the geometric mean of this distribution. Just apply all the techniques we discussed in this video, and I feel confident to say that you will have the final answer and the correct one. Thank you. Bye for now.